Smell like vanilla, the tree no.
No, but not coming soon.
With the mango?
No, this one the mango, this one the mango stem.
What is this?
The circle fruit. Inside the fruit, the white color is sweet for the taste, but we process to making tea with skin of the fruit, the pink color.
Okay.
Good for the prevent cancer grass, good for the skin also. Vanilla. Same like a coffee bean. The first come the flower and then to be the longer fruit. The red color also already to harvest. We make making tea, making coffee, chocolate. Right ginger, and over there we grow the normally ginger. Same I take from the root, but different color and different taste. The more spicy for the red ginger. Yes, good for the asthmatic.
Yeah.
Good for the sore throat.
Yeah.
Good for the if you body cool, you drink ginger or red ginger to make your body is warm inside. Ginseng coffee. Good for the energy, stamina.
Yeah.
From the animal.
Oh.
Yeah, this is not clean yet. Yeah, we wash first and we dry and we fill up by one by hand or machine. This is inside the coffee bean and this is the poo, not contact. The rosella,
What is this? Oh.
Rosella.
Yeah.
This is Bali chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yes.
Oh.
This is mangosteen peel. Yeah, good for skin.
Do you have cocoa here in Bali for the skin?
Oh no.
Like a butter
No.
skin? No.
This is the ginger.
Yeah.
This is turmeric. Curcuma.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is anise.
Yeah.
This is black pepper.
Yeah.
This is ginseng. This is ginseng and this is galanga.
Oh.
Yeah, this is cinnamon. This is clove.
Oh yeah. We know.
Yeah. Okay. We roast the coffee bean 45 minutes until 1 hour. Yeah. Until batching color. Can smell?
We grind it. And last, we filter.
This is all tea. Yeah, 7 until 13. This is coffee and chocolate.
Oh.
This is ready with sugar. And the special coffee, Bali coffee, no sugar.
No sugar?
Yeah. Would you like to try the LUWAK coffee?
Yeah.
Yes. This one is special. This one banana. Chocolate. If you want try with sugar.
Okay, thank you.